Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlogs, if you're after based here in Kiev, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin reaction na miss ko talaga ito. Raver Cruz and Miguel Tan Felix versusan talaga sila for today's video sa dance floor. Na-miss ko yung all-out Sundays na ganito. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sige nga, atake. Walang chill. Oh. True. Ay, atake. Okay.
Ang Swabe King ng Sayawan, DJ Lunyo. At ang Prince Charming ng Hatawan, ROG Groove Boy, Miguel Tan Felix. Kasama ang champion dance group na Rockwell. Ito ang pinaka-extreme, pinaka-scream-worthy. Ito ang Sayawan Extreme.
Okay. Okay. Ay, atake. Rockwell. In fairness sa Rockwell, ah. Okay. Okay. Yes, Miguel. Grabe talaga yung musicality. Alam mo, one thing that I really love about them talaga, parang alam mo yung pag pinapanood mo sila, hindi sila napapagod. Tapos the facial expression says at all. Hindi pong gigil na gigil talaga sila sa dance floor na wala na silang, alam mo yung parang wala silang kapaguran, yung energy nila, tuloy-tuloy. Gets mo ba yun? Anyways.
Dress all black, for sure 900 rags. To the East Coast double that, on my neck a bubble back, on my wrist new Cadillac, cause I don't want a bag, look, I'm a superstar, these my car, my dog put a nigga in park, gotta watch out for the knives.
Okay. Hello? Wait, hello? Ay, yes, ganyan talaga. Alam mo, tama ang desisyon ng stylist niya dito na si Ivor. Mami. Shoutout sa'yo, tama talaga na ito yung atake ni Raver dito. Back, tearstrap. Oh, tearstrap. What is tearstrap for today's video? Ay, okay. Miguel. Ito si Miguel na to, kahit sabihin mong balot na balot siya, pero yung hotness niya, andyan pa din talaga, no? Hindi talaga mawawala sa kanyang pagiging swag. This is one thing that I really love about Miguel Tan Felix, actually. Oh, may padila. Yung the way siya dumila, ay perfect talaga ito. Or kilikili more pan. Yung the way siya dumila, oo. Ayan, no? Ayan, dumila. Oh, sarap. Hindi tayo magiging malanda. Okay. 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 Grabe yung balikat niya, tingnan niyo ha. Grabe yung balikat niya, oh. Iba talaga siya, mami. Okay. Yes. Si Manex, hot dito si Manex eh. In fairness din to kay Manex eh. Iba din tong atake niya sa akin eh. Oh, love the rums. Okay. Ay. Ang hot din to ni ni Manix eh. Si DJ Lunyo wala na, no? Yes. Okay. Ay, tapos na yun? Ano ba yan? Nabiti naman ako for today's video. Ay, anong interview? Tingnan natin. Interview nila si Of course. Iba talaga sila. Asan si Miguel? Ayun si Miguel. Eh, bakit babalik siya agad? Ay, ano pang kasunod? Si Stephanie. Bakit nga ba yung kanilang, pang flight attendant? Si Tera. Si Tera pala yan for today's video. Anyways, that is our for today's video, which is from Miguel Tan Felix and Raver Cruz Versosan together with Manex. I love it. Si Raver, kanina hinihintay ko yung pa-tear-strap niya talaga dun sa opening prod. Hindi niya binigay sa akin. Pero dito, bigay na bigay siya for today's video. Atake talaga siya. So yeah, that is it for today's video. This is KJ Mo Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!